My name is Bucky Miller. I run a sawmill up at King City, Missouri. It's Miller's Rustic Sawmill, and after the first season, the winner of it had a cutting board, and they wanted to try different kinds of wood. We helped them prototype the first board and try to send it to market. After that, we really liked what Tom was doing with this, and we got into the competition more. So this year we volunteered to come down and help as tool techs. And what we do at our mill, we do a lot of private work. We saw lumber and saw logs and dry lumber for people. We have a kiln. And with being part of this show, we've decided we bought an old grocery store in King City. Our town is 1,000 people. And Main Street, like a lot of small towns, is dying out. So we bought this 6,000 square foot grocery store, and we're kind of taking a part of Make48 with us, and we're gonna start a makerspace up there. And we're filling it with 6 new businesses. Hopefully the idea is to launch businesses out of it. They rent space from us. Not everybody has the money to buy $50,000 to $60,000 worth of woodworking equipment. So we're hoping to help them grow their business, and then they'll move across the street, buy an old abandoned building in town. Then we move a new maker in. We're hoping to launch businesses out of that building and help revive our town. So this has kind of inspired all of that, this show.